Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Welcome to class BSc Part 2. I am going to teach you Organic Chemistry Paper 2. Here it is Unit 1, Electromagnetic Spectrum Absorption Spectra, Ultraviolet Absorption Spectroscopy. Up till now, you have learned about various laboratory techniques for analyze sample, viscosity, surface tension, melting point, boiling point, functional group test, element detection, etc. These techniques are no doubt useful because they are less costly compared to spectra. But these techniques are useful to only for the known sample. Unknown sample you can't be analyzed completely with the help of laboratory technique. For unknown sample or authenticity of sample only can be analyzed with the help of spectra. These are different type of spectra: UV spectra, IR spectra, NMR, mass spectra. In your syllabus, second year, you have to study UV spectra and IR spectra. What is it? It is here we are using electromagnetic radiations for determine the sample. What is electromagnetic radiation? Electromagnetic radiations have two components, an electric field and a magnetic field. Generally, a wave refers to a phenomenon where vibrations are transmitted. In the case of an electromagnetic wave, an electric field and a magnetic field are transmitted through the space while vibrating alternatively. At a point that is well away from the radiation source, the electric field and magnetic field vibrates on a surface that is vertical to the traveling direction, and the direction of the vibration of the electric field and the magnetic field are vertical to each other. See here, this is electric field and magnetic field. So it is traveling, they are perpendicular to each other, and these electromagnetic waves are used to analyze the sample. This is the electromagnetic spectrum range. Here gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet, visible, infrared, microwaves, radio waves. And here I have mentioned the frequencies of this. This is a high frequency, this is low frequency. Ultraviolet visible spectroscopy or ultraviolet visible spectroscopy refers to the absorption spectroscopy in the ultraviolet visible spectral region. This means it uses light in the visible and adjacent near UV and near infrared ranges. UV visible spectrophotometer is used in the quantitative determination of concentrations of the absorber in the solution of transition metal ions and highly conjugated organic compounds. Here UV visible spectrometer is on next slide. Basic principle. It work on Beer-Lambert law states that the absorbance of a solution is directly proportional to the concentration of the absorbing species in the solution and the path length. Thus, for a fixed path length, UV visible spectroscopy can be used to determine the concentration of the absorber in a solution. The absorbance changes with concentration. This can be taken from references or more accurately determined from a calibration curve. This is the instrument, light source. Light source, it is here we are using two ranges. One is visible and another is UV. For UV range, it is about 200 to 375 nanometer, and source of light is hydrogen discharge lamp, whereas for visible UV visible range is 350 to 800 nanometer, and source of light is tungsten filament. And here this is the monochromator and sample tube. Here it is made up of quartz. Its thickness is 1 centimeter, and then it is analyzed by the detector. In next lecture, we will discuss little bit more about the equation of UV. Thank you very much.